Hey there, Liz here, Head of Product at Builderall, and today I have two quick updates for the first week of November on the website builder. So, first of all, we have a really amazing tool, which is the website builder. And in there, we have the option for the global elements. One of the global elements that we have, it's the pop-up. And you can apply a pop-up to all of your pages on the website builder. However, there was one little thing that we found that our users were struggling with, which was to adjust the size of the pop-up. So until today, you had a fixed width for the pop-up on the website builder. But now you can actually configure the width of your pop-up just like that. So you can just click on the edit element option and then choose the width that better fits the size of the pop-up that you want to use on your website. So that's one of the updates that we've made. And now we have another really nice element, which is the box element. And you can actually add all sorts of things to the box element, and then you can configure those elements within the box element. However, the box element before didn't allow you to assign any actions to it, and now you can add actions to the box element. So if I add a box element here and click on the set link option with the hyperlink icon right here, you'll see that it will open a new window with a lot of options for you to set for your box. So just like that, you'll be able to add an action to the box element, which before was something that you could only do with some other elements that you could add to the box elements. And that's it for this week. Thank you for watching, and let's keep on building.